Hello, my Igbo people. Let's not get confused about the tuning because Igbo is about the song. We are singing, we are harmonizing, we are going high and we are going low. So, the high and the lows determine, are you asking me a question or are you telling me something? This same sentence can mean a question, it can mean a statement. Igwaram. Igwaram. And I say Igwaram. I'm relaxed. Igwaram, you told me. Igwaram, did you tell me? So this goes for all of our sentences. Ichoro, you want. Ichoro, do you want? Iriri, you ate. Iriri, did you eat? So, know when you're asking a question and when you are telling me something. It's on the high and the lows. Igbo to the world.